Riwruok mar jofwambo pacho ka Kenya Union of Journalists pod medo nuoyo ne ute fwambo maleo kod chudo mar jotijgi mondo mi ochul osara go mapiyo kaluwore ni jofwambo odak matek.
Kaluwore kod jagoro margi Eriko Duor, KUJ wacho ni giseyudo ywak kuom jofwambo mag kembe adek kamoting'o Standard Media Group, Radio Africa Group kod Media Max mawachore ni pok ochulo jotijgi kuom thuolo mar dweche 10.
KUJ koro dwaro mondo mi piny owacho otim kore e chulo gope ma en godo mag ute fwambo kabende ochiw tije manane ute fwambo mogolo ranyisi ne gichulo osara e wang' saa kendo los chike matao kaka ichulo jofwambo pacho ka.
For us to resolve the crisis that we're having in the media, we are calling upon the government, both the national and the county government, to release the funds that are owed to the media houses so that the media houses are able to meet their financial obligations. Then issue number 2 is about payment of salaries. We are calling upon the media houses that upon receiving the money from the government and other advertisers and other people who do business with these media houses, let them consider staff welfare as number 1 priorities because we've got a lot of issues that are coming up as a result of non-payment or delayed salaries by these media houses.
Media houses should embrace innovation and adapt to new technology, emphasizing the need for sustainable business models. Profits should be reinvested to enhance content generation and ensure the survival of journalism. Timely payment and adequate compensation for journalists are essential for their welfare, safety, and security. The national entity, Kenya Broadcasting Corporation, must be safeguarded from asset grabs. The independence of the Media Complaints Commission, separate from the Media Council of Kenya, needs strengthening. Policies and legislation addressing AI are imperative to preempt any journalistic, legal, or ethical challenges it may pose.
Kutoka Mkajwang Daika Empire koda ochul